Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the beastly 2025 Yenko Camaro. This isn't your average muscle car. It's a force to be reckoned with, packing serious power under the hood and a head-turning design. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Yenko Camaro boasts an aggressive look that perfectly complements its performance. It features a distinctive aerodynamic body kit, a prominent hood scoop, and wide body fenders. Classic Yenko badging and striping add a touch of heritage, while the LED headlights and taillights give it a modern edge. Moving to the interior, the Yenko Camaro blends luxury with a race-inspired atmosphere. Premium materials like Alcantara and leather create a sophisticated feel, while the sport seats offer excellent support for those spirited drives. The driver-focused cockpit features a digital instrument cluster and a state-of-the-art infotainment system to keep you connected and entertained on every ride. Now let's talk about what truly sets this Camaro apart: its performance. The 2025 Yenko Camaro is equipped with a supercharged V8 engine that cranks out a staggering 1,000 horsepower. This translates to an exhilarating driving experience with a 0-60 mph time of just 2.8 seconds. Upgraded suspension and Brembo brakes ensure precise handling and control, whether you're carving up mountain roads or hitting the drag strip. Of course, with great power comes a hefty price tag. The 2025 Yenko Camaro is a limited edition model, and its exclusivity is reflected in its cost. Expect to pay upwards of $120,000 to own this piece of automotive muscle. So, is the 2025 Yenko Camaro worth the price? If you're a die-hard muscle car enthusiast looking for a one-of-a-kind driving experience, then it might be. But for those on a budget or who prioritize practicality, there are other high-performance options to consider. Thanks for joining me on this look at the 2025 Yenko Camaro. Let me know what you think of this beast in the comments below.